To the select the switch, watch it.
Challenges created by rapid technological advancements, an aging workforce, and generational apathy are creating a skills gap crisis for the manufacturing sector.
You need to check it off the checklist.
How can we empower emerging talent and ensure that those interested in modern careers can make an immediate and meaningful contribution to the workforce?
And that'll be point one.
Ignite is a program, is a collaboration between Lyft, Amatrol, and a few other universities in which they all came together in order to figure out how we can advance and prepare students to be ready for the manufacturing careers.
Ignite is a 3-year program that involves from 10th graders to 12th graders.
It starts at the basics, it teaches the students the basic processes like the beginning of AC/DC, tool measurement, CNCs.
Hydraulics, pneumatics, electric relay control, programmable logic controllers. So it gives kids hands-on skills that they wouldn't necessarily get in a high school setting.
They're excited to come to school every day. This engages them in ways they've never had before. They get to learn skills that they never thought they would learn, and they're doing things certainly that 16, 17, 18-year-olds in other schools in the area are not doing.
As they grow, they get stronger in that skill. They get their certification, SACA, CPT, MSSC. Those are the certifications that the industry is looking for.
We had a subsection of students that were graduating high school and they didn't want to go to college, they didn't want to go to the military, but they didn't really have any skills to be successful after high school. So we found that this was a way to give those kids skills where they could go in and get a high-paying job right out of high school.
Anytime you walk into a job market, the more training you have and the more skills you have, the more marketable you are for a person. You have a student that come in, they have the certification, they have been trained, they've been in this class, touching, feeling, doing in this class for 4 straight years, that is your hireable person.
Because of the skill set that we offer here, we offer the students an opportunity to go out and make above minimum wage. But it offers them more than just a job, it's a career.
Students love the hands-on aspect of it. They like being able to do a lesson and then come back and do a hands-on thing right now. They're not sitting in their desks for 50 minutes.
Through the Ignite software and the LMS that they use, they're gaining confidence. And many of them said, I had no desire to be in this field, but now I'm very interested in it.
I've seen the desire, because of Ignite, that they want to get into different areas of manufacturing, whether that's in automotive or whether that's just being a welder or being in a smart manufacturing environment that includes robots.
Programs like this stop generational poverty. They bring students out of $15, $16 an hour jobs to $35, $40 an hour job. Completely changes their life. It's huge. It's a game changer for us.
I have an opportunity to directly impact the manufacturing ecosystem of our country. To get individuals skilled in manufacturing, it means a lot to me.
If I could, I would have a lab of this kind in every high school we have.
If you're interested in learning more about how Ignite can help you close the manufacturing skills gap, contact Amatrol today or download the Ignite brochure linked in the description below.